Welcome to the unboxing of Sony Galaxy S9 ordered from Flipkart. Coral blue color. So this comes wrapped up in this box along with this bubbled cover so that during the delivery process it absorbs all the whatever shocks or vibrations encountered in the process of delivery. So this is the bill wherein Samsung Galaxy S9 coral blue color 64 GB. Before tax the price is around 23k. After tax the price is around 26k. So there is a discount of 2218 on the actual offer price of 28,000 because it is a sale, special sale going on Flipkart from December 1 to December 5. Coming to the packing, it is of a very premium type. So just by looking we can say that yes, it is true that it's a premium Android flagship smartphone. So here you can see the IMEI information and color on one side. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 model number, patch sticker along with QR code. So the month and year of manufacture is September 2019. This phone is released in March 2018 and has been purchased in December 2019, and here manufacturing date shows as September 2019. So it is still they are manufacturing. Samsung Galaxy S9 is first announced and released into the market in March 2018. S10 and S10 Plus are released in March 2019, but still even in September 2019 they are still manufacturing S9 and S9 Plus smartphones. The launch price of S9 is around 57,000 for the 6GB 4GB variant, but as on date the current manufacturing price is being shown as 62,500, but even today it is available in Flipkart and Samsung mobile stores or Samsung website also at 29,999. In the special sale from December 1 to December 5 on Flipkart, it was available for a special price of 27,999. On top of that, additional discount of 1250 can be availed if you are using HDFC debit or credit cards. At that time that offer was available. So please check your offers on your other credit cards. So in order to open this, you have to push from one side so that the inner box ejects from the other side. So you have to keep pushing from one side so that the box keeps coming out from the other side. So now there is one more question: how to open this black box? So initially people might try out different ways like pushing out one side, but the trick is you have to first untape or cut the tape over here, and the next job you have to do is you have to peel it like this. Okay, so this is the S9. So we will take this out slowly. So this is the pin which is used to eject the SIM card and memory card tray out from the phone. Surprisingly, there is also a silicone rubberized flexible TPU back cover case also available out of the box. These are the Samsung Quick Start Guide or the Samsung manual. This is the actual phone. So you have to use your nail to remove this or to make it come above.